So as you can see, I'm just about to take this panel off here and hopefully it will come off. Pop that there. Hopefully you can all see. So, Okay, so back here, thanks to the help of somebody across the road, a very kind person, they helped me take this off, and now the whole thing is starting to look a lot more manageable. Obviously I've still got to think about whether or not I rip up the floor. I've got to think about where the rust could be. To be fair, the floor's not in bad condition, so I might just keep it as it is. I'll probably take these side panels off, and obviously the rust that's here will need to be fixed. It can be welded, and obviously I'm going to need to give it a good clean. But all in all, pretty chuffed with what I've got. Can start to work on it now. Aren't people kind? Looks much better without that stupid thing there. Yeah. Floor looks like it's in reasonably good condition. I mean, look at that. Still pretty solid on the floor. Obviously I don't know what's underneath this, but I'm wondering, is there any point in ripping anything up just yet? So what I'd normally do is put something underneath. How much room have I got as well? Got about an inch or two. This will have to go or be repurposed. This will have to go. This stuff will have to come off because right now it's in the way. Some of it can be repurposed, although it's pretty crap for the most part. Some of these things, these hooks, will have to come off because they're in the way, and that's pretty much it. But look at what a difference! Let there be light in this fucking vehicle. Let there be light. These all need to be repaired. Again, on the outside there's no sort of evidence of water coming in, but on the inside it could do with some more repairs. I'll probably fiberglass repair that myself and paint it. And with that, did a bit shit. There we go. That's all the old stuff. Panels off.